Don't forget to please hit that like button so that you can show your support, and also subscribe if you want to show even more support to the channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload so you never miss an upload.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you and talking to you guys a little bit about our new Outworld that we're going to be inserting to our ants, our sugar ants. Now, you may remember this from our other video, just uploaded I think yesterday. Yeah, probably yesterday. There was this tube. This tube, I created this myself and stuff. This tube was connected over here. Now, it has lots of gaps. Like, seriously, if our ants weren't scared to explore right now, they would have probably gotten out by now, and we would probably see just probably two or three workers in there, because I saw like one of the worker ants actually yesterday. They were able to squeeze from this little area when the tube was connected, like they squeeze like over here or something. It's like, I knew this wasn't secure, and it's like, I wish I had a better way to do it, but I didn't have a way to do that at that time, and I really didn't think much about it until one ant got out. So I was like, okay, I need to fix this. And also, as I was trying to find something to fix it, I came back next. Wait, what's this? Is that ant, guys? Sorry, no, it's not an ant. Okay, so what happened after that? I came back to it, and then after, like, I actually cleaned out the honey. If you guys remember from last time, there was little honey over here. I cleaned out that honey, and I think I accidentally scraped some on the wall, like somewhere, because I just saw so many destructive ants, like the small ants that you usually see outside. Wait, I'm gonna try to pick this one up. Wait, come here. Oh gosh. Well, I'm gonna just try to get into the container, guys, for you guys, so you guys can see, if none of you don't know. Okay, like those. You see those small guys? Oh gosh, it just fell. Well, I'm probably just gonna put a picture of it up on the screen right now. So yeah, that's the ant that keeps like I saw it in here, like it was swarming in this area, drinking small drops of honey I couldn't even see. So okay, this was a problem. Unplugged the Outworld, plugged up the test tube, making sure all the workers were inside still alive, and they were still in there, thankfully. And I got it, I brought it into my bathroom and just sprayed it, because seriously, those ants, there were so many ants in it, and those ants were really annoying. There's seriously a lot of them in our house right now. A lot of them in our house, and I really don't like how they're everywhere. So I upgraded. So, oh gosh, broken circle. Broken circle. Oh, barely fits the tube. Tube can just go in a lot, all the way. Don't need you anymore. Upgraded this. Now, I took my time off to use my tools and saw a hole in it. I used this tool first. Let me just try that again. This one, I just did that to it. Like, I went up to it and did that. And then the next tool I use, one second guys. Next tool I use, also if you guys are going to try to copy me, make sure, or like do something, like probably do the same what I did, make sure you be careful. It is really dangerous. It's dangerous to do that, and I just wanted to make sure that you guys know that it is dangerous and you should be careful. Also, I used this. Yes, it is chipped, but I used only this because I just carved it out. And then after that, I was like, okay, oh no, it's not gonna fit anymore, because the tools would actually just go through now. It wouldn't fit. So I got scissors. did the rest of it. And then when it got all the way over here, it didn't fit anymore. So I got an even bigger scissors and got this. It's bigger, and I just started doing it. Started carving out again. And now we have this. It fits nice. Oh gosh. Wait 1 second, guys. I accidentally didn't put it in there. Now it fits like this. Yeah, they covered up the entrance. They want to shield themselves from the world. Now we have smaller gaps because I needed to expand a little bit to make sure it fits, because you can see here, yeah, it's a little like bumping out a little bit. So you can probably just move that there. Yeah, like that. And yeah, this is now our upgraded Outworld. Over here, I have added. Oops, what's this? It's here, guys. I have added some. What do you call it? Some of my homemade slip for the ants. I have found out that my sugar ants cannot actually climb on it, so, and avoid it really. What I did was I added Vaseline, baby oil, and what else was it? Vaseline and baby oil. I think that was it. Yeah, that was it. Vaseline and baby oil. That's basically it. And yeah, this is what they don't want to touch. If it is actually it is slippery and will make this ant slide. Also, the thing is, it didn't work with the destructive ants, I found out. So yeah, that's why they were able to climb up onto the walls. But now we have this. It's secure. See over here, it is secure. This is an old, if you guys are wondering, this is an old putty container that I used. That's what I used. And I just wanted to create this video so that you guys could join me. I could show you guys our new Outworld, and then you could join me, connect the colony back into a new Outworld. Most likely decorate this, I don't know. We'll see. But I want you guys to vote again. Should we disconnect or should we keep disconnected? Should we disconnect the colony from the Outworld for a little while until they reach a certain amount of workers? Or do you want to keep them in there, connected to the Outworld, and see what happens? Will they adventure in the Outworld just for a little while? But yeah, you guys can vote up there in the top right corner. So yeah, right now I'm gonna get the colony real quick. They're over here. Now, here they are. Still 4 workers. Still has queens. And we will connect them. So we will unplug the cotton and connect them. Now we have successfully connected them, and we will now just see. What I'll do is I'll cover this up still, just so that they're in the dark, because I know they don't like the light. Just like the queen. Remember when we used to do our queen updates? If you watched those videos back then, queen updates, the queen was like not really happy about the light shining on her updates. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and again, vote on the poll. Should we disconnect or keep disconnected? And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next one. Bye.